Welcome to the Adenkel product demo. So today we'll be learning about how to access the online classes as well as the study material on Adenkel platform. So I'll be giving demo for live classes first and its website and app, then the study material, its website and app. So first we have to go to domain classes.adenkel.com to access the live classes. When you click on it, the website will be like website page will open. Now you have to simply do the login. The credentials for login are shared by the Adenkel team with the students. Once you do the login, enter your ID and password, then you will be seeing dashboard on the top right corner. Click on the dashboard. Now what you will have is all the courses that you're subscribed for. So I have many courses because I have access to all the courses. But let's say you are a IIT JAM physics student, then you will simply click on the explore courses. There are some information given here, like their total 78 classes are done till date, and because I have not watched any of the classes, so because I'm not a student, so it is like no classes are watched, partially watched, and are yet to watch. But students who are attending the classes, their count will be different. And this course was purchased on 21st May, and it is valid for 1 year. So next year, it is valid for 2 years. So this validity is for 2 years. So this is for 2023-28. Once I click on the explore course, all the listings will be there. Okay, now as of now, no live class is going on. So what I'll be doing is I'll be simply sharing the information with you that if there is any demo which students can see, that will be listed here. Any ongoing classes that are live classes are going on, they will be listed here. Upcoming classes, the future scheduled classes will be listed here, and also the past classes, that classes that happened already, their recordings are present with the student. So the simple like way of attending the classes is pretty similar to the other watching the recording. So right now I'm giving a demo of the recording. So let's say there is the number of units. So each like all the classes will be arranged in under particular units. So the electronics and electrical devices, this has 27 videos of classes. Solid state physics, it has 9 classes, 37 classes, and 5 classes respectively. Now, if I want to attend any of the class, let's say I want to attend see the class of electricity and magnetism, I'll click on the chapter, and then I'll be shown the number of all the classes here. So all the classes will be arranged in a descending order, like latest class first, and the earliest class will be at the end. So let's say I want to attend any class which I missed. So you can see the date of the class and time of the class at which it started. Also, the lecture numbers are neatly mentioned, lecture 6, 7. You simply click on the class, click on the play button, and you can attend the class. So I'm doing it a bit fast forward.
Therefore, for a
so I have muted it. So this is how the class interface looks to the student. Student can interact with the faculty via video chat or normal text. All facilities, it is a two-way interactive medium, so students can attend the classes. And yeah, so this is how the classes are attended by the students on the live class website. Now, if we talk about the app, like how we attend classes on app, so I'll be sharing that demo as well. So for that, we have Adenkel classes app by the name of Adenkel classes. It can be downloaded from the Play Store. Multiple login they are saying because I was already logged in from the website, so you cannot log in from more than 2 devices at a time to avoid the credential sharing among a group of students. Now, again, you put the login ID and password and do the login. Click on the login button. Once you are done with the login, again, there is a dashboard. Click on the dashboard. All your subscribed courses will be here. You can click on any of the course, and you can simply like again there will be class listing as by the name of subjects. You can click on any of the subject or chapter and click on the any class that you want to see, and then the class will be free. So this is how you can attend the classes on mobile app as well. I'm giving demo from the laptop for mobile app as well. So I have installed Android on my laptop and then I'm doing it, but same interface will be for the mobile. Everything is like this is mobile only the play site area is different. Okay. So this is how we do it for the mobile, we can say app. Okay. Then if we want to check for the content, how we access the content on our website. So for that, you have to go on adenkel.com. Once you go on adenkel.com, then you have to do the login with your credentials that are provided to you. Now, click on login, and once you are into the website, you are successfully logged in, then you click on these three sidebars and click on my courses. This is my courses. Once you click on my courses, you will, all the subscribed courses will be listed here. Let's click on any, let's say click on start study for JAM Achiever course chemistry. Now these are the theory modules, practice, mock test, previous papers. So let's say I want to learn theory module, then I simply click on resume study. Resume study is there because I already like accessed this course earlier. Otherwise it will say start study. Now all the units, subject chemistry, all the units, all the chapters are mentioned here. You can click on any of the PDF that you want to learn, click on that PDF and that PDF will load. So this is how you can learn on the laptop. You can study all the theory and solved examples are here. So this is how you access theory. Now, if you want to do the practice or take the test, so click on any test, click on the test that you want to take the test. Now here it will ask the subject. So let's subject is chemistry. Then this will ask the chapter name, which chapter you want to practice. So let's say I want to practice chapter 8. Total number of questions in this chapter is 60, but let's say if you want to attempt less than 60, let's say I want to attempt 30, then I can enter 30. And if I want a time foundation, then I can check this box. Otherwise, if I want unlimited time, then I can uncheck this box. So let's say I want time limitation. So I want to attempt 30 questions in 30. So I can put it here and I can click on start practice. Now, this is the we can say test platform interface. This is the time has already started. These are the instruction. If you want to read them, and these are the all the 30 questions pilots available. You can go on to any question by click on that question number. You can select any option that you find is correct, and you can go on to the submit test. Once you submit the test, then you can simply see the report. I have not attempted any questions, so there is no report as of now, but you can click on reattempt again, and you can again attempt that similar test like chemistry and again the chapter 8, and you can again practice that test. So this is how you access the papers on test papers on Adencal website. Now to share how we access it on Adencal app, the content. So again, we have to download one more app of Adencal by the name of Adencal. I have already logged in, so the credentials are same. You simply log in into it and you click on my courses. Once you click on my courses, all the course listing will be available to you. Let's say we want to prepare for again want to see the JAM chemistry. So again, theory, practice, mock test, previous year paper. So let's say I want to start study. So you can all the interfaces same. Like you can click on the unit and the PDF will be open to you. Okay. So this is how the PDF will look to you. You can read, and similar we can attempt the papers as well. Okay. So I hope this is pretty easy, and I hope this is clear to you. If you have any questions, then I'm happy to answer them, and we can connect for that.